When you set up Windows 7, you created a temporary user account to log onto it. Well, what we're going to do is we can start the computer in audit mode and remove all the temporary user accounts and its user profiles. So this is the last chance to install any application, device drivers and updates in your image. We've had some icons that were only put in the user account school, which we couldn't actually put in the public desktop, but I've copied them into JT downloads, and we'll worry about that later on. Okay, the first thing to do is to point to Start, My Computer, Windows, System 32, sysprep, and then we're going to click on sysprep.exe. Okay, in this section, Computer Cleanup Action, select Enter System Audit Mode. Select the Generalize button. In the Shutdown option, select Reboot. Click OK to restart the machine. Now, after the computer restarts, Windows 7 automatically logs in as an administrator. On boot up, we are seeing Setup is installing devices. After a second reboot, it will say Setup is preparing your computer for first time use. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the temporary user accounts profile that we set up initially. So we just got to go to Start first and type in user profile, and we come across Configure Advanced User Profile Properties. Okay, I'm going to move that screen in the middle so you can all see it. Good. And what we have to do here in the user profiles, click the name of the temporary user account, which was the school one here, and create it, install it, and represent, and then delete it. Yep, got to say bye-bye to it and goodbye. That's it. Fantastic. Okay. Then what we've got to do is to remove the temporary user account. Click Start, right-click on My Computer, and then click Manage. In the console tree, we come to click Local Users and Groups. In the details pane, double-click on the users, right-click the temporary name, which is select the school in our case, and we delete it. We confirm the deletion, and then we say OK. Close Computer Management, and cancel that. We don't need that as well now. Okay, the next step is we're going to generalize the image. Now in this step, we're going to generalize the image and prepare it to start in Windows Welcome after we install it on each computer. Now, generalizing the image removes any hardware dependent information from it, resets the activation timer, and cleans up Windows 7 so that we can duplicate the image on other computers. Now, to prepare the computer start in Windows Welcome using sysprep, open sysprep. So where was sysprep? We're going to Start, Computer, C drive, Windows, System 32, sysprep. There we go, sysprep and sysprep. Yeah. So we open sysprep. Now in the system cleanup action, that's that one there, we are going to choose select Enter out of the box. Yep. Select the Generalization tab, and in the Shutdown option we say Shut Down, and we do OK. Now it will do its bits. What it's doing is the next bit is going to be we're going to capture the image. So we're going to actually put in the boot CD, the boot UFD that we created earlier, and we're going to see if the computer will boot from that stick.